One of these AI answers looked better, while the other one might have saved me from making a worse promise. I gave two AI settings the same deliberate, messy customer brief. Not a real customer, not a benchmark, just the kind of job where a neat draft can hide the fact that you're still missing important information. The brief had a contract ending on the 12th of August, staff training on the 15th, testing that wasn't confirmed, and a customer waiting for an update. The instructions were simple: draft an update, do not invent an answer, and do not send anything. I'm not trying to prove which AI is smarter here. I want to know the more useful thing. After I read the answer, how much risky work is still sitting on my desk? Here is what changed. The more careful answer was a little more polished. It put the dates and the uncertainty into a cleaner customer-facing structure. If I only judged it by how it sounded, I'd probably pick this one. But the faster answer did something I value just as much. It gave me a complete list of what the brief failed to tell us, who could approve a workaround, and when the customer could realistically get their next update. Neither answer made the missing information disappear. They just made different parts of the problem easier to see. That's the trap with an AI output. A polished paragraph can feel like progress, even when the hard part of the job is still unresolved. And if the next step is a customer promise, that feeling can be expensive. So instead of asking which gave the better answer, I use 3 checks. First, useful. Did it genuinely move the work forward? In this case, yes. Both drafts turned a mess into something I could inspect and improve. Neither of them were useless. Second, dependable. Did it show me what it did not know? Or did it quietly fill the gaps with something that sounded plausible? For this test, both cleared the important bar. Neither claimed testing was complete or pretended the integration was ready. The faster answer was particularly helpful because it made more of the unknowns visible. Third, effort. How much checking, correcting, and decision-making is still up to me. The careful answer needed less wording polish. The faster answer needed a little more shaping. But both still needed a human to confirm the facts and decide what actually could be promised. The last one is the score that most people skip. We call the answer good because it reads well. Then quietly do 20 minutes of checking afterwards. This is why the right setting really depends on your job. For rough notes becoming a first draft, I'd usually favor the faster lane. I want momentum. I'm already expecting to check details. Choose the tone and fill the gaps. For 2 options becoming a customer promise, I'd want more care. Not because careful AI gets to make the promise, but because I want the trade-offs and uncertainty visible before I make it. My rule is simple: fast for volume, careful for messy judgment, human for prices, promises, and consequence calls. The important word there is not fast or careful. It is human. AI can organize the notes, draft the update, list the questions, and compare the notes. That's genuinely useful, but it cannot know which risks you're willing to take on behalf of a customer, your business, or your reputation. So my verdict for this fictional test is deliberately modest. The careful setting was a little more polished. The faster setting surfaced more missing information, but neither removed the need of a human for review. If you're deciding whether slower or more expensive setting is worth it, don't start with a logo or the plan. Give both the same messy, low-stakes sample job. And then ask yourself, was it useful, was it dependable, and how much work did it leave you? That is how I would choose the work, not the AI label. If you try this on your own work, score what you still have to check, not which answer sounded the smartest.